went to an antique store and I found this guy for about $15. He is missing the stockings and the stuff that's supposed to go on him. But he is supposed to have some stockings and like some presents, a little tree and a bear that goes on top of him, but it seems like it just sets on there, like hangs. The thing that caught my eye the most about this guy is he actually has a foam mouth, which really caught my attention. And I think he's pretty cool. He's from 1999. He is made by, what are you? Way Out Toys. So yeah, he has volume and adapters he can take. So I guess without further ado, I'll show him. Also, he is in fully working condition.
Merry Christmas! We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Deck the hall with houses, holly, la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, la 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 la. Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas! We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Deck the hall with houses, holly, la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, la 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 la. Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas!
You know, the foam mouth really just stood out to me, and I thought that he would be a great addition to my collection, and I think he fits in pretty well with the Douglas fir and stuff. I plan on maybe trying to find a really bad condition one with like the box and the stuff that needs to go here, at least finding or replicating those to make him look complete again at some point. So this won't be the last you'll see of him, but yeah, takes 3C batteries, and that's pretty much him. I don't have much else to say about him because I don't really know much about him yet. Whenever I get more stuff to put on him, I'll make a bit more of a proper video on him. But yeah, that's the Way Out Toys 1999 talking fireplace. I don't know what you'd call this, really. Chimney, etc. But yeah, I think he's pretty cool, and he's probably one of my favorite parts of my collection now. Bye.